You see the popsicle?
I cannot see your popsicle.
Can you see the popsicle?
I can only see your face. Just go. Happy holidays!
Happy Hanukkah!
Merry Christmas!
Kwanzaa! Happy New Year!
And Happy New Year!
Yes, happy whatever the heck you're exploring, celebrating with your
this
family
time
and
of
friends.
year. Yes.
Yes, it is that time of year, and this is kind of a different holiday for us because it's the first time we have ever, literally, I think, ever been alone or away from family. Mm-hmm. Just the two of us. When I say alone, it's actually the two of us. So it's going to be very romantico. Ooh la la, c'est beau.
So yeah, it's just the two of us, and we're having a very Polynesian holiday.
Yes.
With local fruits and everything else, because in these stores it doesn't look like it would if we were in the US or back home with family. There's no turkey and stuffing and pecan pies and pumpkin pies and everything else lined up.
Nope,
in
you
all
got
of the
bananas,
stores.
local fruit, local super fresh fish, so
Yeah.
that sort of thing. We're actually in Huahine,
Yes.
which is an island in the Society Islands just outside of Tahiti.
Mm-hmm.
It is the rainy season, so
It's
one
hot.
minute it's pouring, buckets literally like downpour,
Mm-hmm.
and then the next minute it's sunny and just
Beautiful.
steamy. And beautiful, yes.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's always it's never a bad day to get in the water around
No.
here, which is really nice. And let's see. Oh, okay. So we were talking about holiday foods.
Yes.
And we were discussing what our best and worst holiday foods are.
And I think the one that nails it, like both of them, is what is it? The yams, the sweet potato casserole, because it's like
Super.
loaded with. I mean, it's sweet potatoes, so you think it's good and healthy, but no, it's loaded with like a pound of butter, a pound of brown sugar, marshmallows on top.
It's intense.
It's so good.
It's
but
intense.
so bad.
Yeah. You feel immediately terrible after eating it. And then for me, my number one worst, it's a hard tie between the green Jell-O salad, which usually has like marshmallows and pecans, or at least that's what it was at my house, and green Jell-O, and the canned cranberry sauce.
Canned cranberry. I don't know why. It's like most families that we ever had Thanksgiving or Christmas with never even like got the can shape out of it. It was just like the ribs and everything. Ugh.
Yeah, so it always looked like the can sitting on a little, like, lovely glass tray that's been sliced. It ends up looking more like beets instead of like cranberry sauce.
And sometimes they would literally forget to serve it until they sat down like, oh crap, the cranberry sauce. So then they'd open up. Ugh, even the sound just made me up.
It's good stuff.
Never ate that stuff.
Nope. But so many people love it.
Number one favorite thing.
Number one favorite thing would be, for me, because I don't love a lot of holiday foods. Like, I love just, like, the mass quantity of it all.
Yeah, we're
and
like pesca vegetarian, so it's like the turkey.
we always
and
end
the
up eating
ham.
sides.
Yeah.
It's like green bean casserole, which is awesome. And loads of potatoes.
Loads of potatoes.
Loads of potatoes.
Yeah.
All different kinds of potatoes. And then
Dessert's where it's at.
yeah, so it's like pecan pie, pumpkin pie. I love it all.
Fresh whipped cream.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're just kind of limiting over
Yes.
here.
So, but, yeah, that's what our right. What did
Best-
you say? Which did you say? What you said?
Well,
best
my
worst.
best and worst was the
The
sweet
potato.
potato thing.
Okay. All right. So that's our kind of Americanized best worst.
Yeah. What's
With-
yours? Like, I know
Yeah.
everybody does different things in different parts of the world, so it's always interesting to hear.
Different families have different traditions.
Yes, north or south of the border. Like, oh man.
Everywhere in between. So let us know what your favorites are.
And for us here, we're gonna make up some yummy tuna, lots of fresh fruit,
Yep.
and
Well, at the moment.
well, it's a French country, so we're going to have some bubbly, of course.
Yeah. At the moment, we have some of our favorite from here in French Polynesia, but hands down, no contest. Our favorite that we found is Abiu.
Abiu.
A-I-B-U.
A-B-I-U?
Yeah, so this fruit has kind of like a little, looks like a cupid head. You know what a cupid is, right? So it is from the Amazon originally, but it's been here and it grows on a tree. It tastes like...
Oh, hold on.
Okay, sorry.
I gotta show them. Okay.
It tastes like caramel custard, if there was such a thing as caramel custard, or if there is. But it's a very jelly-like fruit on the inside, and it literally tastes kind of like vanilla caramel. I didn't even know a fruit could taste like that, but it is absolutely
divine.
Amazing. It's light but sugary at the same time, and yeah.
This is passion fruit.
Yes.
This was passion fruit, and you put the seeds into the cup, you add a little bit of water, and voila!
You have passion fruit tea or juice or whatever you want to call it.
Yes, great for cocktails or afternoon hot time. And...
Afternoon hot time?
Yeah, because literally it's the hot time. Like, you are just sweating.
By like 1 and 2 o'clock, it's pretty much just, yeah, it's a sweaty time of the day, which is why you get in the water.
You almost done? Because I'm ready to go.
Okay, man.
She's been talking too much. Did we say everything we wanted to say?
Oh, no.
Not yet? Okay.
Maybe. Somebody's going to get this really big piece. Hold on. Okay. We didn't tell them what we're doing. It's the holiday season. It's gifting season, and we thought our gift to you, because, well, we can't give you all individual presents. Just not possible.
But
we can give you
a sneak peek to 2019, some of the adventures that we're having. Peaceful, warm, just lovely, what we think is lovely shots of nature.
Yeah, some of the amazing moments that we've had so far, and that's just so far that you haven't seen yet. So that's why it's a sneak peek. All right, yeah, and that will be that.
Let's go.
Before we let you go, we have to make sure and say thank you. A huge thank you to every single one of you for watching these videos, for being a part of our journey, for everybody that has shopped through our gear store, or of course a huge shout out to our patrons and everybody that's left a tip in our tip jar. It all is what adds up and allows us to keep sharing these videos. So thank you very much. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and we will see you in 2019.
Yes, thank you guys very much. And for those of you up north freezing your butts off, I hope these visuals warm you up. Okay.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. It is the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Done we never gay apparel. Ba la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Ba la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. Ba la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Yeah, yeah. Follow me in merry measure. Yuletide treasure, fast away the old year passes. Oh, hail the new year, lads and lasses. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Oh, ba la 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 la. Done we now our gay apparel. Ba la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Ba la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. Ba la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Oh. Follow me in merry measure. away the
Wow.
ocean passes. Hail the new year, lads and
That is
lasses.
lovely.
Sing we joyous all together. Fa la la, fa la la, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather.